find it, bro. Don't worry about it.
You!
This is all dust.
I'm sorry, get off!
I'm sick and tired of you shit
This is the first
on
time
my property!
here!
Bullshit! You guys are here all the time,
No, it's
scaring
not
my horses every fucking weekend, every other night. I hear you guys. Stay off my fucking property now or I'll blow the top. Always coming through here. My fucking property. Tell you and your friends stay the off. Get out here now.
I got that on GoPro! Ah! Oh fuck. Oh no! I got that on camera! Moto Magic! Moto Magic! Hopefully no one comes out and starts beefing us. Help me, yeah, just put the bike in the garage. Shit.
The other dude is getting it.
I don't know what you filmed it. Yeah. Nah, he's gonna cut it. He's gonna call the cops, bro. Huh?
Insurance, license?
Buddy.
No, him.
Huh? That's a Grom, man.
What?
It's a Honda Grom. It's a super small bike.
Then get it off the roads. Legal vehicle, plate, license, insurance, or off the road.
Okay.
Like, how old are you?
What does it matter, man? It's not me. Like
No,
you're yelling
you're
at
the
me.
white car, right?
Huh? Yeah, but what are you yelling at me for?
No, because you, like
what? My bike's here. I'm selling my bike. I can't ride, man. I'm not even on the bike. Dude,
just
what?
stop for a second. How old are you?
Why is it, bro? Like, it's not me.
You're not 16 anymore.
Okay, but it's not
then
me.
Why do you act like it?
Like
what?
At
some point in your life, you got to make a decision.
Okay.
You want to be an asshole for the rest of your life?
We're not being an asshole, man.
No. Every time you ride that, every time you blow this thing out.
What do you mean blow this thing out? It's a loud exhaust. What about it?
Yeah, it's not spec and it's not
What
legal.
do you mean not spec?
You're way over.
Yeah, I know
DBs.
it's not illegal.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. Yeah.
You don't mean deep. The fact that it's available for sale doesn't mean it fit
buddy.
for the roads.
All right.
Słucham? A samochody to nie smrodzą?
What the f is that? You turn your signal on when you're halfway in my f***ing lane? You turn your signal on when you're already halfway in my lane? You don't see the motorcycle?
No, I didn't.
You're trying to kill me?
No, I'm not.
Please be careful, for other people's sake.
My husband was paralyzed from a motorcycle.
Please be careful. I'm not being mad at you. I'm not trying to be an asshole.
I understand. I did not see you.
That's okay.
At all.
I hope you have a great weekend.
Yes, you too.
She's telling me her fucking husband was paralyzed on the motorcycle. Yeah, I'm sure he was. That's why you're watching out for them, right? Honestly, I just posted a video yesterday about 2 different people that almost killed me trying to cut me off and shit, getting in my lane. And then this. We're in
Stop, fucking hell! Calm down! Fuck's sake.
Fatto male.
Non mi sono fatto male per fortuna. È che aveva messo la freccia a sinistra.
Lo sai che c'è?
No, just like every time you do a loud bike, a loud car, a loud everything. 'Cause
Yeah.
you run around here, you don't actually
It's
go
not
anywhere
always
to do
me,
anything.
man. It's not always
No,
me.
it's you and your buddies. But decide
Oh, me and my
something
buddies.
here. Decide something.
Yeah,
See these guys?
yeah.
You're the only ones that think you're cool.
Alright, that's great, man.
Every other
You're the one coming out here complaining, man.
Every other person you ever go by when you're that loud
All right, bud.
thinks you're a dick.
Yeah.
So decide at some point, is that
Okay,
you the rest of your life?
Can I just say something? Out of everyone, you're the only one coming out complaining. So.
Tim has come so
Okay.
close to coming over here because he hears you revving and he's waking
Man,
up
I'm
his
not
kids
doing
in the middle of the
nothing,
day.
man. Like,
We're talking years.
years, buddy.
Years of your behavior.
Alright. Okay.
At some point, grow up.
Alright, bud.
Well, you're still living in your parents' house. You can't even get a job.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm sure you lived on your own when you were 20, buddy. I live on my own. I insure my own car with my money. My parents don't pay for shit, dog. Who you to talk down on me? Fucking
Honest.
dog. It's like he's your fucking neighbor, man. Fucking idiot.
I hate my neighbors.
Oh, yeah, you have a plate on the bike, so it's
Yeah.
definitely not insured.
Yeah,
right?
it's not. The bike's not even started.
Fucking idiot.
Well, there goes that. What up? You just missed the Grom doing the wheelies down the street.
I saw the Grom pull away, the Grom squad, and then fucking I saw the dude walking off, and I was like, oh shit, they're getting me all day.
What up? You here to buy it?